Yes, Viraj. Got it. Okay, Viraj, is it visible to you? Make sleeping line,
Yes.
make a center, put dot on any side, either right side or left side. But always remember, you have to make 120 degree. So 120 degree is the obtuse angle, right?
Yes.
Two. So you make a center over here. Okay. After making center, see 120 degree is at over here. Is my dot is visible to you?
No, ma'am.
I'll make a dot over here. This is my 120 degree.
Yes, I can see.
Okay. On this, I'll make a slanting line with the help of my protector. Wait, I'll make it and show you. See, is it visible to you?
Yes.
So, so okay, Viraj, is it visible to you? See, this is
Yes.
my 120 degree, and I'll make it angle A, B, and C. How to write? It's angle A, B, C. Why I put B at the center? Because B is my angle point. You make it acute. Why you make it acute? You know 120 degrees obtuse angle, right?
Yes, but it's not going like this. That's the problem.
See, Viraj, see the protector. There is, I told you, there are two numbers. Number which shown at the downward and the number which shown you at the upside.
Yes.
It's your choice which number you want to choose. We know 120 degree is the obtuse angle, so you make it like this. So you make it like this. See, is it visible to you? Is the pencil is visible to you? This pencil shows the line, obtuse line. Yes, yes. Now it's fine. See, if I'll tell you to make 150 degree, you will go downward again. The center remain the same. This is the center. And make slanting line with the help of protector.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I told you to make an angle of, wait. Okay, now make an angle of 150 degree.
Okay.
Draw an angle of 150 degree.
Okay.
Okay, Viraj, have you make it?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay. One thing you forgot while writing the angle. You write angle JKL, right?
Yes.
See, you have to write angle JKL is equal to 150 degree. You forget to
Okay.
make the sign of angle.
Okay, ma'am. I'll
Okay.
remember that.
There's no need to rub. You just add on this angle before J.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I hope angles are clear to you now. You know
Yes,
how to
ma'am.
use protector?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt while
No, ma'am.
using protector?
Ma'am,
Can we proceed? Yes.
I had a question.
Yes, ask your question.
What is the use of these two?
Okay. This is not in your class standard. You can use it in further classes. Okay. So there is no use of this till 7th grade, right? You can use it after that. Okay. Okay. You have no compass with you. So now can we start decimal chapter? Because this chapter is your geometry chapter is over now.
So no test.
I'll take your test when you want to give your test. Tell me.
1 second, ma'am. Let me ask my mom which day is good. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Wednesday 4 p.m. Over here at 4 p.m.
Wednesday.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
meeting time
Wednesday
4
same
p.m.
time. Wednesday same time. I'll take your test of geometry
Yeah,
chapter, right?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, could you also send the conversion one, ma'am, because you have not.
Yes, yes,
That,
sure. I'll check it and send you. I'll
yes,
check
ma'am.
it and send you. Okay, wait. I have some questions for you. Okay, I'll let me ask some questions from you. Wait, regarding this chapter. Wait.
Okay, ma'am, could you also send a question paper because my mother wants to see it. The
Which chapter?
conversion.
Okay, sure. I'll share the question paper as well with you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now can we start decimal chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
We did. When I started 4th grade, first thing we did was decimals.
Okay. Did you remember now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me check how much you remember. Okay. See. See, if it's 3 by 2, how you can write it? It's in decimal. Decimal is what? What is decimal?
Decimal is the same thing as fraction.
Yes. You can write fraction in decimal form, right? If this
Yes.
is in fraction, how you can write in decimal? See, there is only 1 0. We will discuss
3.1.
today. We will discuss only tens, 100, 1,000 at the bottom, denominator.